Hello and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. My name is Harry Lynn. I have been a distributor with Cerule since 1977, and I must say I have had some wonderful results from the products. Our primary product is called Stem Enhance Ultra, which actually releases your own stem cells from the bone marrow and puts them back into circulation where they do what stem cells do, which is to heal you. I've had benefits, particularly energy, concentration, and night vision. I am a musician, drive at night a lot, and I noticed that within months of starting the Cerule products, my night vision was much clearer, the road markings were better defined, and the oncoming dazzle was much better for me to handle. Our other products, we have many products actually, but my three favourite ones are Stem Enhance Ultra, Plasma Flow, which improves your circulation, or has with mine. It's got rid of some very nasty twitches in the leg, and for a friend of mine it's got rid of his peripheral neuropathy. That's a mouthful, isn't it? The final product that I particularly like is called Cyactive Joint, and as you might imagine, with these couple of grey hairs, prematurely grey hairs of mine, I do have some problems with my joints, but the Cyactive Joint has eased my problems quite definitely. Now, I'd be very happy to share this information with you. All you have to do is to reply to my email address. I have a special one for this business. It is stemcellharry@gmail.com. stemcellharry@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you and sharing some more information and possibly help you defy the aging process a little. Thank you.